This is Jacob and I'm Jenna, and we're out here to teach you guys about asymptotes along with playing baseball.
Asymptotes are straight lines in which act as a boundary for a graph of a function. There are three kinds of asymptotes. The first asymptote we're going to cover is the bunt, in other words, the vertical asymptote. For the vertical asymptote, you set the denominator of the simplified rational function equal to 0, solve for x, and the result is x equals c.
The second asymptote we're going to cover today is horizontal, y equals c. There are three kinds of horizontal asymptotes, and they depend on the degree of the two polynomials. If the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, y equals 0, and it's a single. The second type of horizontal asymptote we'll cover is if the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. If so, y equals a over b, and it's double. The third kind of horizontal asymptote we'll cover is if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. If so, there is no horizontal asymptote. You're hitting a triple.
Keep it on. The final type of asymptote we're going to cover is a slant asymptote, in which y equals mx plus b. For a slant asymptote, the degree of the numerator is exactly 1 bigger than the degree of the denominator. Use long division, numerator divided by denominator, and y equals the quotient. In this case, you get a home run.
A bad thing that can happen are holes, or in baseball terms, a pop fly. They occur at the common factors of a numerator and denominator. When you set those common factors equal to 0, you get the holes in the graph. Easy outs. And that's Easy Outs Asymptotes with Jenna and Jacob Swope.
Have fun relating baseball and asymptotes. Play ball!
Love it!
Here, Jake. Whoa, I wasn't ready!
That's a pop fly! Keep it! Dang it!
The third type of asymptote, in which y equals mx plus b. In a slant asymptote, the degree of the numerator is denominator. Use long division, numerator divided by denominator, and for the answer you get.
Oh, you did so! A bad thing that can happen are holes, or in baseball, a pop fly.
Or
What am I starting with again?
a bad thing that can happen.
When you set those common factors equal to 0, you get the holes in the graph. Easy outs. And that's
Jacob.
And that's Easy Out Asymptotes, Jenna and Jacob Swope.
What?
And that's
Have fun.
we started with that. And that's
No, we're not. Let's just say.
and then we can end with play ball.
Have fun relating asymptotes and baseball.
Easy Outs with Totes with Jenna and Jacob Swope. Have fun relating asymptotes and baseball. Play ball.
Alright, you say
And
you say the
Easy Outs
first part,
Asymptotes
I'll
with
say
Jenna
the
and
second
Jacob
part,
Swope.
and then we both say play ball.
How about I say and that's how about we both start?
No.
That's easy to start with.
You just say it and I'll say mine, and then we say play ball at the same time.
What do you say? Have fun relating asymptotes. Ready? Let's start. That's easy.
That's Easy Outs
Asymptote with Jenna and Jacob Swope. Baseball and asymptotes related.